my monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters have stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Unity Monster. It's a beautiful day. Kids are playing ball together. My friend Alexander is new to the park and would really want to play ball with the other kids. The kids ask him to play, but he isn't sure what to do. So we created a Unity Monster. The Unity Monster unites all the kids together so that they can play together and have more fun. Alexander is still unsure. The Unity Monster explains that working and playing together helps make teams and friendships stronger. All the kids agree to play together and have a wonderful time. So much fun, they play game after game after game until it's time to go home. Alexander loves his monster. His name is Unity. What a great story!